Hello my 3D printer peeps, I'm here with the SparkX powered by Creality i7 3D printer, and today we are going to have a quick look at the extruder and how to open it up without removing it in order to have a peek at filament jams and clear them out. The i7 is equipped with a few quick swap components, and the extruder tensioner arm is one of those. Let's have a look. Here on the i7 toolhead, pinch the cover and pop it off. The i7 has a tensioner arm right here. To open it, firmly grab the toolhead, place your thumb here, and prop it open. Let me do it again. Thumb here, pop, and flip it open. Closing it is the exact opposite. You simply squeeze it into place. To remove this lever, you do have to remove one screw. However, even without removing this arm, opening it gives you access to the filament path from the 4:1 splitter all the way down to the hot end. Removing this arm is easy. There is one screw in the front of the extruder. Removing that screw allows you to remove the arm completely. With the arm removed, you have significant access to the entire filament path without opening or removing the extruder. To put it back together, simply reinstall the arm, reinstall the screw, and snap it closed. Snap the cover back on, and you're done. Just like that, you've opened the extruder, potentially cleared a filament jam, and gotten back to work with the removal of one or maybe even no screws. I'm Mr. Greg, and you're on 3D Rundown.